up, fellow YouTubers? TomWolf here. We're playing Heavy Rain, episode 17. Probably the last episode, I'm not gonna lie. Let's go! This is gonna be insane. So we're all gonna meet up at this warehouse place, and we gotta save Sean Mars before he dies. Holy shit, let's do this. Oh my god, so who's first? It's Ethan Mars, who stole the taxi cab from that poor kid. He just wanted to do his job. Oh man, let's do this. This is crazy. So Madison, Paige Mills, and Norman Jaden know. So we're all gonna be there. We're gonna fucking kill Scott Shelby. Or whatever, I don't know. Or take him into custody. Actually, I'm gonna take him into custody. I don't want him to die. I feel like he's just confused.
I've been looking for a long time, Ethan. Looking for a father that would be able to do what mine could not do.
I would never do your stupid games.
Sacrifice himself in order to save his son. Oh, I searched.
They all failed.
And then I remembered you.
You know how he remembers me? I think it'll show it. Yeah. When Jason died. Look at this shit. He just like looked like, he has potential. It's fucked up. I remember you. You're the guy with the hot dog.
Just to find a father capable of saving his son.
Just to find a father? Do you have any idea how it feels to be a worthless nothing in your father's eyes? Believe me, I've suffered.
Your father's an idiot.
Just as much as my victims.
I finished your damn triumphs. Now give me back my son!
He's there. All you have to do is open that grate.
Whoa! He's gonna okay, good. Norman Jaden's here. Good. Yeah, get that son of a bitch. It's Chunky Scott again. Come on. Gotta save Sean. You get a giant stick, basically. What? Oh, there it is. Is it? Hey! Stick! Get the stick! I was going by like a lot of sticks. It has to be that stick, I guess. Whoa, Sean's face is like weird. Oh god, I better save him. Don't air a computer! Oh shit. Don't drop it on him. Don't want to guillotine my son. Shit! Why is it so heavy? I felt that heaviness. Oh god, it's X, it's X. Okay, come on. Oh, you're so cute. Okay, hold on, before we begin. Okay, let's go. Norman Jaden. I just don't want to, want this to air, because this is going to be too intense. I'm watching you, and I got to watch this at the same time. Oh my god, come on, let's go. Oh, fat piece of shit. A dog pile. Okay, you want some? You want some? I got, a headache. I played so much today. You're going fucking down. Oh god. Ooh! Come on, Jaden. Yeah, right in the crotch. You don't know how much times I got kicked there. Fuck. Come on. Oh, I'm ready for you, fat boy. Come on. Come on. Throwing shit at me like a fucking monkey.
Take your positions. Suspect is
fuck
likely
you,
to be
Blake, who
armed
cares?
and dangerous. All personnel are ordered to shoot to kill. I repeat, shoot to kill. Ash, are the snipers in position?
Yes, Lieutenant. They're ready on your command.
Oh, I have such a
Perfect.
headache.
He won't get away this time. We'll gun him down as soon as he shows his face. Hey! You there! What are you doing?
Don't worry about it.
Lieutenant, my name is Madison Page. I'm a journalist. I have proof that Ethan Mars is innocent. He's not the origami
Ash,
killer.
what is a journalist doing here? I thought I told everybody to keep their mouths shut. Now get her out of here. I don't want her getting in the way.
Okay, Lieutenant. All right, come on.
You're about to make a terrible mistake, Lieutenant. Ethan Mars is innocent. I can
I'm gonna be
prove
so
it.
rich though. Whoa! Whoa, that happened right away. I was making sure my computer wasn't gonna air, you asshole. I don't give a shit, it's got Shelby. I'm the donut champion. Yeah, take that, bitch. Fucking asshole. That was awesome. I mess up once! Bitch! Oh my god, this is intense. I am smacking his head with like a fucking stick.
Gotta breathe.
I can't even pay attention to Sean. This is just too intense. Hey, you could get up now. God, that piano, it's so intense and so calm and like everything. I'm feeling so much here.
Don't leave me.
I'm right here, Dad. What if his soul just like possessed his dance? What if it was just like a robot? You got punked, Ethan. It'd be horrible. Okay, but I'm gonna stop joking. Jeez. I actually hope I saved him in time. I don't even know if I did. Sorry, that intense fight just got me pumped. I gotta kill Sean. I want to kill him, but I'm not. Yay! He's alive.
Oh, Sean. Oh. I thought you were gone.
Dad, I knew you'd come and save me.
Oh, thanks. Thanks for the thought, honestly. I'm not even sure if I was gonna make it here in time.
Sean, listen. You are the best thing that's ever happened to me in my life.
He's in die
I
any
want you to
second
know
now.
that whatever happens, I love you more than anything in the world. I'm not dead. I took the poison an hour ago, and I'm not dead.
That's fantastic. See, he was bullshitting the whole time. But still, I would never do any of his stupid challenges. Norman Jaden found him fine and Madison Page. You do that sort of shit. You don't listen to the killer's demands, in my opinion, but whatever. I only lost a finger.
Get out of my face.
Mars didn't do it, for Christ's sakes. He's innocent.
Yeah, fuck off.
you doing?
Whoa! Oh, whoa, I forgot about this. There's actually a way for Madison to actually face Scott Shelby. There is a way. I just forgot how I did it. I actually did it on my first playthrough. It was crazy. Maybe she does still. I don't know.
Crap.
What do we do, Lieutenant?
Attention all personnel, hold your fire. I repeat, hold your fire.
I might go out with her later. Don't kill her, please.
Madison? What's going on?
The cops, they're out there. They have the building surrounded. They'll shoot you if you go outside.
I'll go out alone. I'll talk to them. I'll explain.
You'll be
And I'll explain after this.
dead before you can open your mouth. Look, we'll all go out together with our hands in the air, and they can't possibly shoot us. I have the evidence that proves your innocence, Ethan.
Listen,
I'm sorry I didn't trust you.
That's so dumb.
I was only thinking about Sean, and I thought...
No, you kind of used me at
That's
first,
okay.
though.
The only thing that matters is that you saved your son.
No, she kind of used me at first, but whatever. That's what I think, still. Ooh, there's a sledgehammer. Ooh! Ooh! That's not good. Oh! Fucking asshole.
Save me. Please, save me.
No, I'm not helping. Oh my god. Oh my god, that was amazing. This is my favorite Heavy Rain moment right here, by far. I actually didn't want to kill him, but I'm not helping him either, because I actually helped him once before, like, fine, whatever. But he tried to bring me down with him. I'm not dealing with this shit. I threw something in his eye. I never expected that. That was amazing. What a way. That was awesome. I actually just wanted to arrest him, but I'm not helping him get up because he tried to pull me in one time. No, fuck that. Oh man, this game is intense. Oh man. I'm not sure if I'm gonna exit my face cam for the endings now because I think I'm done now. No more quick time events, no nothing. I wonder if I should exit my face cam so you can see what's going on. Actually, yeah, we'll do that. So, I hope you enjoyed Heavy Rain, and I'm TomWolf, and I'll do a special video after this one too, after this playthrough, so stay classy, noise, eat your pizza. See you later. Go Chakalaka, and check those 3 people out. Bam!
Due to his great courage and tenacity that he succeeded in foiling the plans of the Origami Killer. The police commissioner presented him with an official apology today. Our main headline today: it is reported that the police have identified the man thought to be the Origami Killer. Scott Shelby, 48, is a former police lieutenant who claimed to be a private eye hired by the families of the killer's victims. Shelby was killed during a massive police operation, but further details have not yet been released to the public.
Is this where we're gonna live now?
Only if you really, really want to. Or we can keep on looking until we find something you like.
It doesn't matter where we live, as long as we're together.
I will never let anyone or anything separate us again. We're stuck with each other, kiddo. Like glue.
Can I choose what my room is?
Sure thing, Chan.
All right, then I think we can stay here.
Our next guest is rumored to be about to receive a Pulitzer Prize for her remarkable series of investigative articles about the Origami Killer case. Showing incredible courage, her daring intervention led to the arrest of the country's most wanted criminal and saved the life of a little boy. This evening, I welcome a woman who might well be the true definition of a heroine for the ages, Madison Page. Good evening. Thank you for agreeing to talk with us. Now, you've been described as being both determined and tenacious. 2 qualities, no doubt, that were needed to see you through the dark hours of this unbelievable story. Were you afraid at any time?
Thank you, Miss Page. I really admire you for what you've done.
Thank you.
For John, please. We need more journalists like you, Miss Page. It's a good thing you were there to catch that bastard.
Thank you. What's your name?
Vincent. Excellent investigation, Miss Page. You are one brave lady. You deserve a better adversary. Somebody more ferocious.
Our guest today is on the cover of today's World magazine this week and has been hailed by the whole nation as a new hero for our times. Astonishingly, he almost single-handedly ended the sinister series of killings by the man known as the Origami Killer and saved the life of young Sean Mars. His determination, courage, and intelligence have won our admiration. Norman Jayden, good evening.
You killed my son, Scott. Were you thinking about that when you held me in your arms? I don't know why you did all this. Nothing can justify it anyway. I feel nothing but contempt for you. Nothing but contempt.
I want to see them again.
I'm a father too.
Stay back! Don't come near me, or I'll shoot!
Ugh.